Wow Himalayan Rose Conditioner. Wow Rose Conditioner is best hair conditioner for hair care and hair growth. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Help protect your weak, brittle strands and add shine and softness to your dull, greasy hair with Wow Skin Science Himalayan Rose Conditioner. Wow Rose Conditioner is a volumizing conditioner that helps to add lush movement to your limp, lifeless hair. It also leaves your hair smelling fresh and fragrant. It is a gentle conditioner that conditions hair and restores hair's natural moisture barrier. Wow Himalayan Rose Conditioner comes with rose hydrosol coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and hydrogenated olive oil. Rose hydrosol. It is rich in catechins and polyphenols that fight dryness and hair fall, keeps scalp healthy and adds shine to strands. Coconut oil. It contains essential fatty acids and lauric acid that moisturize and condition the strands. Sweet almond oil. It is loaded with vitamin E that helps to repair and restore hair strands. Hydrogenated olive oil. It is rich in antioxidants and emollient properties that help add silkiness and shine to strands. The natural actives help strengthen the strands and smoothen the cuticles to improve texture and appearance. Rose hydrosol not only helps moisturize the strands but also leaves your hair fragrant with a soothing floral scent. Hydrogenated olive oil, argan oil and coconut oil aid in repairing damaged strands, making them strong and luxuriant. Revel in your lush, voluminous, fragrant hair with Wow Skin Science Himalayan Rose Conditioner. It delivers the natural goodness of rose hydrosol and natural oils that moisturize your strands and envelop your hair in a delicate rose fragrance. Use this best hair conditioner after every hair wash to condition your strands, add volume and shine. It is a hair reviving conditioner that leaves your hair fragrant with soft, floral notes of rose. Wow Rose Conditioner is ideal for those with greasy and odor-prone hair and scalp. Suits every hair type though. It helps to add softness and strength to your limp, lifeless strands. Wow Himalayan Rose Conditioner. Wow Rose Conditioner is best hair conditioner for hair care and hair growth. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.